Today we'll be going through IGCSE Mathematics Paper 2 Extended 058022 October-November 2013. Question number 1. Write the following in order of size. Smallest first. So we will change everything into decimal. So 19%, 19 out of 100 will be equal to 0.19, so this will be 0.19, and 1 divided by 5 will be 0.2, so this is 0.2, and this one we can write 0.038, and this will be equal to 0.1949, and sine of 11.4 degrees, this will be equal to 0.1976, and the last one is 0.719 raised to the power 5, and this is resulting to 0.1921. So now we can compare which number is the smallest one, 0.1, 0.2, 0.19, and this is 94, 19, 192. So this is the smallest one, 19% will be here. Then next one is this one, which is 0.719 raised to the power 5. After that it will be 0.1949, so root of 0.038, and this is also done. Then next one will be sine of 11, sine of 11.4 degrees, and the biggest one is 1 over 5, so 1 over 5, this will be the answer. Question number 2, use a calculator to work out the following. So calculator will be using 3 into minus 4 multiplied by 6 squared minus 5, and this is equal to minus 447 minus 447, 447, and B part is this. So B part also we will solve with the help of calculator. Under root 3 and multiply by tan of 30 degree, this plus root of 2 multiply by sine of 45 degree, and this will be equal to 2, so answer will be 2 in this case. Now next, question number 3, find the circumference of the circle of radius 2 point r. Circumference is equal to 2 pi r, which is equal to 2 pi into r value is 2.5, so this will be 2 pi into 2.5, this will be resulting to 5 pi, which is 15.70, 15.701, 707 basically, 7079, so we can approximately change to 15.71, so answer will be 15.71. Question number 4, Brucey plays a game of golf. His scores for each of the 18 holes are shown below. These are the scores. The information is to be shown in the pie chart. Calculate the sector angle for the score 4. So how many fours? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 out of 8. So this will be 8 out of 18. So we can write 8 out of 18. And pie chart will be 360 angle, so multiply by 360 degrees. This will be resulting to 8 out of 18, 8 out of 18, and multiply by 360, this will be resulting to 160. So angle will be 160 degrees. This is done. Question number 5, add one line to the diagram so that it has two lines of symmetry. So the line we can add here is, like for example here we can add this line. This will be the rectangle. Now this is having two lines of symmetry, one this one and second this one. B part, add two lines to the diagram so that it has a rotational symmetry of order 2. So what we can do, we can draw one line over here and one line in the middle, like for example over here. So now it will be having rotational symmetry of order 2. There are other possibilities also, like for example one line this one, second line for example this one, or second line this one. So there are other options which you can also answer. Question number 6, we have to make subject x as subject. So y4 we will shift to this side. Y minus 4 is equal to x squared. So x will be equal to plus minus root of y minus 4. So this will be our answer, root of y minus 4. This will be the final answer. Question number 7. Diagram of trapezium is provided which is not to scale, and we have to find the area. For trapezium area we have formula A is equal to 1 by 2 a plus b into h. A plus b into h. A plus b are the opposite parallel sides, so 12 and 22. So we can write 1 by 2 into 12 plus 22 and multiply by this perpendicular height which is 10. Now we can multiply, this is 1 by 2 into this one 10, and inside will be 32, 34 basically, 34. And now we can solve by the help of calculator. So 0.5 into 10 into 34, and this is resulting to 170. So answer will be 170. This is done. Question number 8. A hemisphere has a radius of 12. So this radius is 12. Calculate its volume. The formula is provided for a sphere. This formula is for sphere. So we'll have to reduce it by half. So 1 by 2 of this one, 1 by 2 of 4 by 3 into pi into r cube, mean 12 cube. This one we have to find for the volume, and this will be equal to 0.5. 0.5 half can be written as 0.5, then 4 over 3 into pi will be this one into 12 raised to the power 3, and this is done. This will be equal to 1152 pi, or in terms of decimal 3619.11, 3619.11, and approximately equal to 3619. So our answer will be 3619. Question number 9. The exterior angle of a regular polygon is 36. What is the name of the polygon? So 360 divided by the exterior angle, this will be equal to number of sides, and this will be 10. So it means the polygon is having 10 sides, and 10-sided polygon is known as decagon. So it will be decagon with 10 sides. Question number 10. The table shows how the dollar to euro conversion rate changed during one day. Khalil changed $500 into euro. $500 to euro. How many more euros did Khalil receive if he changed his money at the highest rate compared to the lowest rate? So highest rate to the lowest rate, we have to check and convert it and check the difference. So if we check the highest and lowest rate, these rates are basically this one and this one. These two rates are highest and lowest. So what we can do, we can take 1600 this time. At this time, rate is this one, 1.3401, and this is multiplied by 500 to get dollars, basically this many dollars to euros, so it will be converted to euros. And the second rate is time is 1300 and conversion rate is 1.3199, and this will be also multiplied by 500. So for these two conversions we will check. So 1.3401 multiplied by 500 will be equal to 6760.05. This will be the pounds, and for the other one it will be 1.3199 multiplied by 500. This will be resulting to 659.95. And the difference between these two, we will check how much is the difference. So we will write here 670.05 minus 659.95. This is equal to, so we can subtract 670.05 minus 659.95, and this will be equal to 10.1. So our answer will be 10.1. So this much will be difference. Question number 11. The speed v of a wave is inversely proportional to the square root of the depth d. So we can write v is inversely proportional to the square root of d, and square root of d like this. So we can write v is equal to k over root of d. Now they are saying v is equal to 30 when d is equal to 400. So v is equal to 30 and k over this will be 400 root, and k will be equal to 30 into 400 root, and this will be equal to 30 root of 400 is equal to 600. So this is 600. Now k value is 600, we will replace here. So v is equal to 600 over root of d. Find v when d is equal to 25. So 600 over 25 root, and this will be what? This will be 600. We can write 600 over root of 25, and this will be equal to 120. So our answer will be 120. Question number 12. The circle has a radius of 8.5 centimeter. Correct to the nearest 0.1 centimeter. The lower bound for the area of the circle is this much, and the upper bound for the area of the circle is this much. Find the value of p and q. So 8.5, we will write upper bound and lower bound first. So upper bound and lower bound. Upper bound will be 8.55. This will be the upper bound, and lower bound will be 8.45. Now after writing these upper bounds and lower bounds, we will find the areas for these two numbers. So we know area of circle is equal to pi r squared, and pi r squared for this value will be pi into 8.55 squared, and this will be equal to pi into 8.55 squared is equal to this much, which is 229.666. I will write. Then for this one also pi r square, this will be upper bound, this will be lower bound, and this one will be pi into 8.45 squared is equal to, we can write this basically in form of pi we require. So we will be changing this again into pi format. So we will recalculate and we will write answer in pi format. So this will be this will be 8.55 squared is equal to 73.1025 pi, this one, and this will be 8.45 squared, and this will be equal to 71.4025 pi. So this is in terms of pi. We kept in terms of pi because P and Q both are in terms of pi. So lower bound is first one, which is P. So lower bound will be this. So P value will be 71.4025, and Q value is upper bound, which is this one. So 73.4025. Hopefully you understood. This is 71.40 and this is 73.10. So 73.1025. Hopefully you understood this as well. Now question number 13. Question 13 says Pam wins the Student of the Year award in New Zealand. She sends 3 photographs of the award ceremony by post to her relatives. One of size 13 centimeter by 23 centimeter to her uncle in Australia, one of the size this and this, sister in China. So the one in size of this one, mother in UK. So maximum length and Australia and rest of the world, these are basically the rates. The cost of postage is shown in the table above. Use this information to calculate the total cost. So 13 by 23 for Australia. So we'll check for Australia 13 by 23. So 13 by 23, this will work. So it will be 1.90 will be for this one, for first one. And for China or rest of the world, see, China will be in rest of the world in this one, that is 1523. So 15 centimeter by 23 centimeters. So that will be this one, and UK 23 and 35. 23 and 35 will have to take this one. So this will be this. So these 3 values we have to add. $1.90 plus 2.90 plus 5.20. These 3 values we have to add. If we add 1.90 plus 2.90 plus 5.20, and this will be adding up to $10. So $10 will be our answer for this question number 13. Now question number 14. The diagram is not to scale. ABC are points on the circumference of the circle. Center O, OAD. OAD is a straight line, and angle DAB. DAB, basically D is this one. DAB is equal to 142. Calculate the size of angle ACB. So ACB, this angle is basically required. So this is easy. First we find this angle, which is this is 180. So this will be 180 minus 142. So 180 minus 142 will be equal to 38. So this angle will be 38 degrees. This is radius, this is also radius. So this angle will be equal to this angle. This is also 38 degrees. Now we can reach to this angle. These two are 38. So third angle of the triangle will be 180 minus the sum of the other 2 angles. So 180 minus 38 plus 38, and this will be equal to 104. So this angle is 104, and this is angle at the center, and this is angle from the same arc at the circumference. So this will be half of this, which is 52. So our answer will be 52 degrees. Hopefully you understood this as well. Now question number 15, simultaneous equations we have to solve, and point of intersection basically. So we will be equalizing the coefficient. For example, for the first one we'll multiply by 2, so we will get 4x minus 14y is equal to 4, and this will be 4x plus 5y is equal to 42, and we can subtract now, change sign, and this will be cancelled. This will be minus 19y is equal to minus 38, and y will be equal to minus 38 divided by minus 19, and this will be equal to 2. So y value is 2. Now we can find the x value. We will replace this value in any of these two equations. I will replace in the second one. So 4x plus 5 into 2 is equal to 42. So 4x is equal to 42 minus 10, which is equal to 32. So x is equal to 32 divided by 4, which is equal to 8. So x value will be 8, and the point will be 8 and 2. Now question number 16, solve the inequality. And to solve this inequality, we'll get rid of this denominator. What we will do, we will put them in brackets. The easiest way, which I will recommend, you should use this method. Put them in brackets. Then 3 into 2 is 6, so multiply everything by 6 like this and cancel this. 3 2s are 6, 2 3s are 6. Now multiply. This will be 3x plus this will be 2x minus 4 is less than 30. We got rid of all the denominators. No need to take LCM or other things. So this will be easiest way. 3x plus 2x will be 5x. 5x is less than 30 plus 4. So 5x is less than 34. So x is less than 34 by 5, which will be equal to 34 over 5 is written as 6.8. So we can write x is less than 6.8. So answer will be x is less than 6.8. This will be our answer. Now question number 17 is matrices question. M is given, n is given. We have to work out m into n. So mn will be equal to, m is 2 and 1, 4 and 6, and n will be 5 and 1, 0 and 5. So this will be multiplication process, first row, first column, and this will be equal to 2 into 5 will be 10, and plus 1 into 1 will be 1. Then first row, second column, so it will be 0 and plus 5, and second row, first column will be 4 into 5 will be 20 plus 6, 26, and second row, second column will be 0 and 30, and our final answer will be, this will be 11, this will be 26, and this one will be 5, and this one will be 30. This will be our final answer. We can write here 11, 26, 5 and 30. Now they're saying find m inverse. M inverse we know is equal to adjoint of m over m mod, and we will find m mod, like for example m is over here, so this multiply by this and minus this multiply by this, so this will be 12 minus 4, which is equal to 8. So mod m mod is 8. Now we have to find adjoint. Adjoint of m will be changing the location of these two, 6 and 2. So this will be 6 here, 2 here, and changing sign of these two, this will be minus 4 and minus 1. Now this one we got adjoint of A. Now we can write a m inverse. M inverse is equal to adjoint of A, which is 6 minus 1 minus 4 and 2 over m mod is 8, so we can write this. So our final answer we can write 1 over 8 into 6 minus 4 minus 1 and 2. This will be the inverse. Now we have question 18. A is this one, B is this one, 2 points. Find the coordinates of the midpoint of line AB. So midpoint of line AB, we will write M. M will be what? Coordinates of M will be 5 plus minus 2. So 5 plus minus 2 divided by 2 and 23 plus 2 divided by 2. So this will be equal to basically 5 minus 2 will be 3. So 3 by 2 will be what? 3 divided by 2 will be equal to 1.5. So first will be x value will be 1.5 and y value also we can find, which is 23 plus 2 will be 25. So 25 divided by 2 will be 12.5. So we can write here 12.5. These will be the coordinates, 1.5 and 12.5. And then find the equation of line AB. So equation of the line AB we have to write. So we can find the gradient. Basically we have to find first the gradient of the line. So M will be equal to y2. We are taking this one as y2 minus y1. So minus 23 over x2 minus x1. So minus 5. So this will be equal to minus 21 over minus 7. Minus will be cancelled, so gradient will be 3. Now we have gradient, we can use any of these 2 points. I'm using this A point, so we can write in formula. Formula is what? Formula is equation of line in point slope form. So y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. This is the easiest way. If we are using the other one, which is y is equal to mx plus c, first you will have to find the value of c. But this one directly you can replace the value of the point and the gradient. So y minus 23 is equal to 3 into x minus 5. So now we will just rearrange. Y is equal to 3x minus 15 and plus 23, and the final equation will be y is equal to 3x and this will be plus 8. So plus 8. This is our final equation. Y is equal to 3x plus 8. C part, show that the point, this one, lies on the line AB. So line AB is what? This one, 3x plus 8. If we replace this value, this is 17 is equal to 3 into 3 plus 8. So this side is 17, this side will be 9 plus 8. So 17 is equal to 17. So this implies the point lies on the line. So this is what we can show. This implies the point 317 lies on the line AB. That's all. Question number 19, vectors question. They have provided this diagram. O is the origin. This one is the origin. A, B, C, D, E, F. A, B, C, D, E, F is a regular hexagon, and O is the midpoint of AD. O is midpoint of AD. Okay, so midpoint of this. So it means this is equal to this. So OA is equal to A, OC is equal to C. Find in terms of A and C in their simplest form BE. First we need to identify where is BE. BE is basically this one. So we can draw BE. BE will be passing through center and its direction will be this one. So BE we have to find. So to find BE, we can take basically this root, or we can take basically this root, any of the root we can take for the BE. So for example, if we are taking this root up to this one, we can reach BO, we will find. So we will double that one, that will be this. So we can go to this one, this is equal to this, basically this is C, so this is also C. So we can take this one as minus C and minus A. So we can write it as minus C minus A, or we can write, and double of this will be this whole. So we can write BE is equal to B2 into BO, and this is equal to 2 into minus A minus C, or you can write minus 2A minus 2C. So this will be our answer, minus 2A minus 2C. Hopefully you got this. What we have done, we have taken this root minus C minus A and double that one. So this will be BE. Now the second part, B part, is DB. So we have to check for the DB. D is this one and B is this one. So we can check for DB also. First we will draw DB, and DB will be this one. We need this direction. So we have this as C. So we can take basically this root we can take, or what we can do, we have this one, this is C. So this will also be C. This is C. So from here we can take this root and this root, minus C and minus this. We have BE, we can take minus of that one. So DB is equal to what? We can write DB is equal to DB is equal to DE plus EB. So EB we have already, BE we have calculated, so we'll take negative of this one. So DE is basically minus C, and this will be plus EB, which is negative sign of this one. So 2A plus 2C, and now we can simplify. This will be 2A plus C. So this will be our final answer for this, 2A plus C. Hopefully you got this. The position vector of E. Position vector of E, we will be finding position vector of E will be OE basically. For that one we can take this root. For example, this is we can take this root, basically this is A, so this will also be A. So from here A and minus C. So we can, this will be basically minus A and this will be minus C. So minus A minus C. We can write OE will be equal to OD plus DE, and OD is equal to minus A plus DE is minus C. So final answer will be minus A minus C. This will be the final answer. Question number 20, cumulative frequency diagram is provided. During one day, 48 people visited a museum. The length of the time each person spent in the museum was recorded. The results are shown on the cumulative frequency diagram. Cumulative frequency, time in hours, work out the median. The median, first one is a part over here, the median. For the median, we will be checking the reference basically for the middle one. So this is up to 48. This diagram is provided up to 48 basically. So we will be checking the maximum point. We will be taking this one 48. We will not be taking 50. So this is 48. So half of 48 will be 24. So 24 reference will be this one. and for the median we'll be checking this one will be the median, and we can take this reference from here, which is 4 point this is 4.1. This point will be 4.1. So median is basically over here, which is 4.1. Then the 20th percentile. To check 20th percentile will be 20 over 100 of 48. So this will be 5. So this will be equal to 48 over 5. 48 over 5 we can calculate. 48 divided by 5 will be equal to 9.6. So 9.6 we have to check the reference. So 9.6 will be over here, closer to 10. So we can check the reference, and this will be over here, and from here we can take this value, and this value will be 2.5 and 2.6. We can take 2.6. So this will be 20th percentile will be 2.6. Then they are saying interquartile range. For interquartile range we require upper quartile and lower quartile. So for upper quartile we will be calculating 75th percentile of 48, and for this will be for upper quartile. So, and for lower quartile we will be checking 25th percentile of 48, and these values we can check. So 75 over 100 multiplied by 48 will be equal to 36. So for this one we have to check 36, and for 25th percentile we will be checking value of 12. So this will be 12. So we have to check these references. 36 will be over here somewhere. Draw this reference. This will be 36 reference, and 36 reference will be over here. So this is basically 5.1, and 12, this is 10, 11, 12. So this will be 12 value, and for 12 we will be checking the reference from here. So if we draw accurate line, this will be the reference. Hopefully you are understanding each and everything, and this will be 2.9. So 5.1 minus 2.9, 5.1 minus 2.9, and this will be equal to 5.1 minus 2.9, and this is resulting to 2.2. So interquartile will be 2.2. Hopefully you got this. The probability that a person chosen at random spends 2 hours or less in museum. 2 hours or less. So this side is hours. 2 hours or less will be this reference, and we will be checking from here. So less will be this reference, which is 5 basically. So the probability that a person chosen at random spends 2 hours or less. So there are 5 people out of 48. So its probability will be 5 out of 48. This will be our answer. Hopefully you got this. Now the final question is this one, 21, which is the triangle provided which is not to scale, and in the triangle ABC, AB is equal to 6 and BC is equal to 4, and angle BCA is 65. Calculate angle CAB. CAB will be this angle. So we can use basically sine rule. This over sine this will be equal to, okay. So this will be BA, or 6 over sine 65 degrees will be equal to 4 over sine of angle A. So cross multiply, so this implies sine A will be equal to what? Will be equal to 4 sine of 65 degrees divided by 6, and this value will be what? A will be equal to sine inverse, I'm sending to this side, and directly we will calculate 4 sine 65 degrees divided by 6, and this will be the value which we will be getting as answer. So inverse sine of fraction 4 sine of 65 degrees divided by 6, and this will be equal to 37.17. 37.17, or approximately we can write 37.2 as answer. Hopefully you got this. This is basically centimeter square, so we can write here also centimeter square. Then the area of the no, this is not centimeter square, this is angle basically, so this will be degrees. So this will be degrees. The area of the triangle ABC. For area, now what we can do, we have this side as 37.2. We can find this angle, and this angle will be how much? 180 minus this will be 65 plus 37.2, and this will be equal to 77.8. So this angle is 77.8. so we can use this angle, so which is 1 by 2, area will be equal to 1 by 2 AB sine C. So 4 into 6 into sine of 77.8, and this will be equal to 0.5 into 4 into 6 into sine of 77.8, and this will be resulting to 11.72, or we can write it as 11.7 centimeters squared. So we are done with the paper. Hopefully you understood each and everything. Don't forget to subscribe Maths TV. Also press bell icon so that you will be getting notification for incoming very important videos. Recommend this channel to your friends and class fellows so that they can also get benefit of it, and introduce this channel to your respected teachers as well. Thank you very much for watching. Take care. Bye.